SONY RX0 vs GoPro Hero 6 Black. I was recently invited by GoPro Europe to the launch event of the GoPro Hero 6 Black. While the technology demonstrated at this event was truly impressive, I couldn't stop thinking that we were actually seeing more of the same, just with better quality. For some, this is wonderful news, while for others, this means that GoPro has decided to stick to what they know best, manufacturing action cameras. Now, here comes Sony and introduces something that looks similar in size, causing the crowd to shout out that the RX0 lost the battle even before starting the fight as it doesn't shoot 4K video internally. After testing both, I can clearly say that these two cameras are completely different devices and one should not compare them. In brief and in no particular order, here are the main differences between the cameras. Lens: Sony RX0 wins hands down with its wide-angle, rectilinear Zeiss lens. Stabilization: GoPro Hero 6 Black defeats the RX0 when it comes to image stabilization as the Sony has none. Durability: it is hard to say which one is better. The GoPro family of cameras has been around for ages and build quality holds up quite well. Similarly, the small Sony RX0 certainly gave me the feeling of using something that was built like a small tank. Codec, bitrate and picture quality: the GoPro uses a modern H.265 codec, in most recording situations, and can record internally up to 4K/60p. Head over to the first part of our GoPro Hero 6 review to learn more about its picture quality and recording capabilities. The Sony, on the other hand, uses its proven Zoufcash codec, but internally can only record in full HD and up to 120p, more on that later. Slow motion: both cameras can do high frame rates in different resolutions. I won't touch on this subject in my current review. Sound: Sony wins here with the option to easily connect an external mic and control the sound levels manually. Battery life: neither camera does very well in this department, but considering their small size and recording capabilities, it is not a surprise. Price: the Sony RX0 is $200 more expensive. As these are two different types of cameras, the price comparison is not relevant. App: both cameras can be controlled via their own app. GoPro went a step further by allowing you to edit the footage on your mobile phone and share it instantly. As the RX0 is more of a production camera, this type of functionality is not necessary in my opinion. Flat image profile: both cameras allow the possibility of using their respective log picture profiles. Manual control: Sony beats the GoPro here as it allows full manual control when shooting video. Conclusion: choosing one camera over the other depends heavily on the type of production you are filming. I would clearly classify the GoPro Hero 6 Black as an action cam while giving the Sony RX0 the title of production camera.